Hi, I'm Jim Rivard. I'm an instructor at Michigan State University. I'm going to show you how to measure tree diameters. And we've got this nice, beautiful red maple here, Acer rubrum. I'm going to take my diameter tape, which measures circumference but reads in inches. And I wrap the tape around. I'm on the uphill side of the tree. I read the tape at 17.3 inches. So this tree is 17.3 inches in diameter. So I've measured diameter indirectly by measuring circumference with a diameter tape. All right, now we're going to measure diameter using the Biltmore stick. So this particular stick I have has two sides, a tree scale and a log scale. Log scale is for measuring logs that are already on the ground. We're measuring a standing tree, so I will use the tree scale side. So this tree is slightly elliptical. I'm standing on the uphill side. I'm going to measure the diameter on the small or short side of the tree. I get 17 inches. And I'm going to go on the wider side of the tree and I get 19 inches. So my average of that is 18 inches. So this red maple, according to my Biltmore stick, is 18 inches in diameter, which varies slightly from the diameter tape, which said 17.3. So the Biltmore stick isn't quite as accurate, but it's very fast. It uses geometry and similar triangles to determine diameter.